Here is how to make your own 95 stamped personalised name tag. You will need measuring device, cutting tool, a needle file set, centre punch and letter punch set, various hammers, anvil, and you'll need some sterling silver sheet that's about 0.8 millimeters thick. You can probably go to about 0.6 and it'll still be okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick tester piece here, making sure all the letters will fit on the tag.
So, all you want to do is scribe your line. Super simple. And then we're going to cut it. Always save your scrap.
So what I'm doing here is I'm just hammering the silver flat on my anvil. I'm just trying to work harden the metal slightly to make it more rigid without putting too many dents in it. Making sure to hammer the sides, hammer the face, just making it nice and square and flat without removing any stock.
Okay, so now that we've gotten it all work hardened and it's a bit stiffer, I'm going to be taking down these corners, probably using the
File. The file I'm using creates a burr, so I'm taking care to get rid of that also. Remove the protective film. Okay, measure the width of your workpiece and divide it in half to get your center line, and then scribe it using calipers or whatever you wish. And then measure about ½ centimeter from the top of the tag, so you can find the center point for the hole you're going to punch for the key. You can see the hole that I've drilled is completely off center. It's because the workpiece wasn't supported correctly in the vise. Don't make the same mistake as me.
Okay, here we go.
Now I get the workpiece and I shove this piece of metal in the little hole. Looks alright.
So I'm just going to block your view with my sausage fingers here. After impressing the letters, the metal's a bit deformed, so I'm just going to flip it over to the other side and hammer it flat.
Check it out. Super basic, simple 95 stamp. So, right there, flip the bad boy over. Make sure you've got the stamp oriented correctly. Center it. And go! Just do the final flattening. And now for the sand up.
Okay, so I just got my super basic bitch polishing compound here. I got this fucking thing here, and I'm gonna fucking go good.
So after using the medium polishing paste, I'm going to clean up the silver piece and then move on to the rouge. Always make sure you're wearing adequate PPE, especially using rotary tools. I always wear goggles, safety goggles, and I was wearing a mask during this as well because the polishing mops I use create fibres in the air.
Looks pretty good. After a cleanup.
Thanks very much for watching this video, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and maybe ask me to do another silver project. Cheers!